Chlorella is a type of green algae that is often consumed as a dietary supplement due to its potential health benefits. Here are some key points about chlorella. Chlorella benefits. Nutritional profile. Chlorella is rich in various nutrients, including protein, vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin B12 and beta-carotene, minerals such as iron, magnesium and zinc, and antioxidants. It is also a source of dietary fiber. Detoxification. Chlorella has been studied for its potential detoxifying properties. It is believed to bind to heavy metals and toxins in the body, aiding in their removal. However, more research is needed to fully understand its detoxification effects. Immune support. Some studies suggest that chlorella may have immune-boosting properties, potentially enhancing the activity of certain immune cells. However, further research is required to determine its exact mechanisms and effectiveness. Antioxidant activity. Chlorella contains antioxidants, which help protect the body against damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Antioxidants can contribute to overall health and well-being. Potential health benefits. While chlorella shows promise in several areas, such as supporting liver health, promoting healthy cholesterol levels, and aiding in digestion, more rigorous scientific studies are needed to confirm these potential benefits. Safety and considerations. Chlorella is generally considered safe for most people when consumed in appropriate amounts. However, some individuals may experience digestive upset or allergic reactions. If you have any existing health conditions or are taking medications, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before adding chlorella to your routine. Forms and dosage. Chlorella is available in various forms, including tablets, capsules, and powder. The recommended dosage can vary depending on the product and individual needs. It's best to follow the instructions provided on the product packaging or consult a healthcare professional for guidance. It's important to note that while chlorella offers potential health benefits, it should not replace a balanced diet or medical treatment. If you are considering incorporating chlorella into your routine, it's advisable to do thorough research, consult a healthcare professional, and purchase products from reputable sources.